Total internal reflection, TIR, is a fascinating optical phenomenon that occurs when light travels from a denser medium to a less dense medium and strikes the boundary between the two at an angle greater than the critical angle. Here's a breakdown. In brief, definition. TIR is the complete reflection of a light ray back into the original medium when it hits the boundary of a less dense medium at a sufficiently large angle. Conditions. Light must travel from a denser medium to a less dense medium. The angle of incidence must exceed the critical angle. Examples of TIR. Optical fibers. This is a primary application, where light signals are transmitted over long distances with minimal loss. Diamonds. The brilliance of diamonds is due to TIR, which causes light to reflect multiple times within the stone. Mirages. Atmospheric mirages occur due to TIR when light passes through layers of air with different temperatures and densities. Prisms. Right-angled prisms are used in binoculars and periscopes, using TIR to reflect light. Underwater viewing. When underwater and looking up at a shallow angle, the water's surface acts like a mirror due to TIR. TIR and optical fibers. Optical fibers utilize TIR to transmit light signals. These fibers consist of a core, denser medium, and cladding, less dense medium. Light entering the core at an appropriate angle undergoes repeated TIR, allowing it to travel along the fiber with minimal loss. This is what allows for high-speed data transfer across very long distances. The core of the optical fiber has a higher refractive index than the cladding of the fiber. This is what enables the total internal reflection to occur. In essence, TIR is a crucial principle that enables efficient light transmission in various technological and natural phenomena.